Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm sharing with you this time a clip taken from 60 minutes video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. The video is very comprehensive as usual and very detailed, putting forward some excellent setups that you can take advantage of immediately. I think that we are going to see a huge increase in volatility in the weeks to come. Great opportunities are for the taking. My charts, I'm pretty confident, can help you to sort out the best opportunities. And I often, in my daily video, I often actually put the very best opportunities that I see every day. I put them up front in a very detailed way so that you know exactly how to take advantage of them based on hourly charts, sometimes even more detailed. And the service is actually modestly priced. If you are interested to give it a try, support my website, or spread the word about my website, you are also encouraged to get in touch with me. And I hope you enjoyed this clip. Wishing you successful trading. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. In preparation of this video, I find that the currencies still figure well when you are looking for short-term trading setups that could yield quick profits. So I'm thinking about the Euro US dollar, British pound US dollar. And concerning the stock market, I think that the stock market is heading straight down. It's heading straight down. Any small rally that we might have now is almost certainly going to meet a huge selling wave. And in short, I think the market is heading down pretty badly in the coming week. And I would single out just one market, that's the S&P 500. But basically the pattern, as was the case yesterday, the pattern is almost identical across the board in several of the indices that you follow, not just in the US, but also in Europe. So I'll read the list of charts that I've got in this video. And since it is a weekend video, I suppose you have a bit of time, so I'll just go with the normal sequence of the charts. And that is the dollar index, the Euro US dollar, the US dollar, Danish kroner, British pound US dollar, British pound Chinese yuan, the Euro Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, US dollar Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar US dollar, gold, silver, TYX, TNX, USD bond, the Dow Transportation Average, S&P 500, the S&P 100, the EU Stocks 50, the DAX of Germany, the Chinese Securities Index, the Ibovespa of Brazil, and I'll terminate the video with a look at Intel Corporation, quoted in the US. I'll be covering a stock that is well known by millions and millions of people all across the world, Intel Corporation. And we have the stock here, the chart going back to 1990. Huge surge in 2000, taking it to the stratosphere, and the collapse. And one interpretation that I would like to put forward here is that we had an A, we had an A, B, C, D, E, B, we had a C complete here, and the market attempted a rally that could be classified at this point in time as a possible first leg up, and the market is correcting second wave. It's in a second wave now. Do you see? It's in a second wave, but the structure could become very complex, and let me show you. It's quite possible that the correction to this big surge of the madness of 2000 is not over. That indeed we had an ABC, and instead of running up, giving us first leg up, in fact, it yielded another ABC, and that turns into an X, and now we have another ABC with a C targeting the bottom of 2008, believe it or not. Yes, this is the alternative. Pretty serious situation here with Intel. Now, if we hit the floor here, and we are going up in 5 legs, I see only one way of doing it. That's a 1, 2, that's 3, that's 4, we're going up, that's the 5th. And now we are correcting. If we're going up, and all of this is to be taken as an X, then we do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's an A, that's a B, and that's a C, and that's an X. Okay? Then we go down. We have an ABC. Either case, I think we have an A. Yes, that's an ABC. B, we're going down. I am pretty confident. I'm pretty confident from what I see here that Intel is heading lower in the days and possibly weeks to come, at least to test 20. Yes, maybe even 18, and that will complete the ABC. In the best case, most optimistic case, we have the first leg up, second leg, Intel ready for recovery, maybe in about 3 or 4 months. Intel ready for recovery will begin to look up and shoot towards 30. In a worst case scenario, Intel will break 18 and will head towards the gloomy days of levels here of 2008. That's going back to 12. At which point it must be an absolutely unbelievable buy. Just buy as much as you can. There are so many good things to say about Intel. It's a bit amazing, I think, to even conceive that a company like Intel could actually go down back to 12, to the lows of 2008. But the pattern is the pattern. You know, the pattern is showing us this possibility. Is a viable pattern. Yes, is a viable pattern within the big scheme of things here. That's the daily. That's an ABC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an A. That's a B. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not a 1, 2, 3, 4. Forget it. Can't be. This is a clear triangle in the middle here, and that smashed through the level here. So we're going lower. And why do I say that I'm so confident it's going lower? Because of what you see here. This crystal clear triangle, market struggling basically. We had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the line. Look at the line, and I'll take it. Let's take it to 60 minutes. You'll see all the details. You'll see it very neat structure here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just look at the triangle here. Perfect. Perfect triangle, conic for the market to continue lower to deliver the fifth leg. That could be as much as what you see here. That is 22.75 to 24.25. Big move, very big move. But all in all, this is definitely a situation. If you are seeking investment in a first-class company for an absolute bargain level, then keep a sharp eye on what Intel is doing. Even buying it at 18 would be a steal because of just the dividend support, the dividend yield. I assume that Intel is in a position to keep paying as they're paying now. It's basically a cash machine. If it breaks down towards 12, I already said this will be an unbelievable buy, and I don't think it will stay there for long. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hope you find it useful. Wishing you successful trading. Bye now.